Introducing OneSync by Feit Electric, the only customizable and easy-to-install under-cabinet lights and accessories that can connect wirelessly, eliminating complicated wiring behind or between cabinets. Today, we are installing the OneSync motion sensor. Your OneSync motion sensor comes with an 18-inch connector cable, mounting template, mounting bracket and screws, instruction manual, and finally, your OneSync motion sensor. Here's the tools needed to install your motion sensor. Start by measuring your cabinet to find the placement of your motion sensor. Then, using the mounting template, mark the desired placement. Install the mounting bracket using the provided screws. Attach the motion sensor by pushing and twisting into the bracket. Connect your sensor to your OneSync fixture or directly to a wall outlet. Now, let's sync your motion sensor. Power your OneSync lights off and on at the outlet or wall switch. Then, hold down the power button until the lights flash 3 times. Turn the lights off and on again. Next, hold down the dim button until the lights flash once more to complete syncing. For added convenience, you can also sync multiple OneSync remotes to your lights. After syncing your first remote, hold down the CCT button on your primary remote while holding the dim button on your secondary remote for 3 seconds. Select any of the 5 different color temperatures available. Just press the CCT button. You can also select any of the 4 different brightness options by pressing the dim button. Turn your lights off and on with the power button. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your OneSync motion sensor.